figured out how to open your drawers? Now you're taking out all your sheets? Oh, look, some diapers. What'd you find? You found some diapers. Yeah. Do you think you have to empty the whole drawer? Whoops. Closed. Oh, you hit your finger. Oh, no. It's all right. I'll kiss it. Oh, we hit the finger. Right? Finger's all better.